Okay, welcome back, students. Now the next topic, that is the factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. There are mainly two factors that affects the rate of photosynthesis, and they are external factors and internal factors. External factors includes the factors like light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, then again water content, temperature. So these are the four external factors which affects the rate of photosynthesis. Now see about the light intensity. As we know that in the presence of light, as the light intensity increases, the aperture of stomata keeps on increasing. Okay, the aperture of stomata keeps on increasing. As a result, more exchange of gases takes place. This particular thing helps in increasing the rate of photosynthesis. Now the second one is carbon dioxide concentration. As we know that carbon dioxide is one of the raw material to carry out the process of photosynthesis. So that is why with increase in the concentration with increase in the intake of carbon dioxide, or if carbon dioxide is more in the atmosphere, more and more carbon dioxide can be taken, and thereby the rate of photosynthesis keeps on increasing. So we can say that with increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the rate of photosynthesis keeps on increasing. Then comes temperature. About the temperature, it has been found that the rate of photosynthesis is mostly higher in an optimum temperature which ranges from 20 degree to 35 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is between 20 degree to 35 degrees Celsius, then the rate of photosynthesis almost becomes double. So we can say that at an optimum temperature ranging from 20 degree to 35 degrees Celsius, the rate of photosynthesis increases. Then the last one, that is water content. Water is again another raw material for the process of photosynthesis. So more water in the plant, more will be the rate of photosynthesis. Less will be the plant, less will be the water. Okay, lesser will be the rate of photosynthesis. So just now we have discussed about the external factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. Now the next topic is internal factors. Internal factor includes the factors like the number of chlorophyll pigments present in the plant or the protoplasm. Okay, and then again next the last one is structure of leaf. Okay, now see, chlorophyll is very much important for carrying out the process of photosynthesis, because it is the pigment which traps the solar energy, which is further converted into which is further utilized in combining the carbon dioxide and water molecule to produce glucose molecule. Okay, if suppose due to some nutritional deficiency, if lesser number of chlorophyll are present on the surface of leaf in the leaves, then what happens is that rate of photosynthesis may decrease. Okay, more the number of chloropigments in the leaves, more will be the rate of photosynthesis. Now about the protoplasm. Protoplasm means the living matter that is present inside the cell. In protoplasm, if the cell of the leaf is hydrated with large number of enzymes in it, okay, which are required to carry out the process of photosynthesis, then the rate of photosynthesis always increases. Then about the structure of leaf. The structure of leaf, if the surface area of leaf is larger, okay, it can trap large amount of solar energy, okay, which increases the rate of rate of photosynthesis. Then again next, if the thinness of the leaf is more, if the leaf is more thinner, okay, then light can easily penetrate through the upper epidermis and can reach easily up to the lower epidermis. So these all factors increases. This all the different structures about which just now I told you, okay, increases the rate of photosynthesis. Then comes the next topic, that is adaptation and leaf for photosynthesis. To carry out the process of photosynthesis, the plants, they modified themselves in such a manner that they become more suited, okay, more suited to carry out the process of photosynthesis. And those adaptations are large surface area. The plants usually bear large surface area in order to trap large amount of solar energy. The presence of large surface area of leaf, if the leaf has the large surface area, then it favors the photosynthesis. Arrangement of leaves or leaf arrangement. Leaf arrangement, see, you might have noticed that the leaves arrangement, that is phyllotaxy. Leaves are arranged in such a manner that almost all the leaf receives sufficient amount of light. Okay, sufficient amount of light. Like about the arrangement of leaves, you might have learned in junior classes about what you call alternate arrangement, alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy. Okay, so these leaves are arranged in such a manner on the branches that almost all the leaves get sufficient enough sunlight so that they can carry out photosynthesis. Then the next is cuticle and upper epidermis. Cuticle are usually in the leaves are thinner. Okay, about the cuticle you might have learned in transpiration chapter. Okay, about cuticular transpiration, waxy-like substance that is present on the surface of upper epidermis. Okay, so if the cuticle is thin, if the upper epidermis is thin, the light can easily penetrate into the leaf, and this favors the process of photosynthesis. Presence of numerous stomata in the leaves also favors it to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Then again after that, because the stomata helps in exchanging carbon dioxide, okay, and oxygen, thinness of leaf also favors the process of photosynthesis. Then comes chloroplast, which is the most important cell organelle to carry out the process of photosynthesis. If these chloroplasts are present in large number, usually leaves bear large number of chloroplasts so that they can carry out photosynthesis. Extensive vein system. Okay, extensive veins means veins which usually consist of vascular tissues like xylem. It is highly spread over the leaf. Okay, so that each and every cells of the leaf gets enough water. Okay, to perform the process photosynthesis. So this is about how the leaves are adapted in plants to carry out the process of photosynthesis. I think in this video this much, let us keep. Okay, after this comes experiment based topic, diagram based topic. Okay, that we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you, students.